How to fix Steam Cloud Sync error. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your Steam account. You'll land to this kind of page. Now at the top left corner you can find this option of Steam. Click on it. Different options will appear. Head towards the option of Settings. Open it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of Cloud. Open it. Now you will see this option of Enable Steam Cloud. Enable for this option. If you have already enabled for this option, disable it, wait for a few seconds and enable it. Then head towards this option of Storage, open it. Over here you will find 3 dots, click on it. With that you will get the option of Repair Library or Repair Folder. You have to click on that option. Once you complete this process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, head towards this option of Library, click on it. Now at the left corner, you're gonna find different game options. Click on any of the game option, double click on it. Different options will appear. Head towards the option of Properties, open it. Now over here, you will find the option of Local Files, click on it. With that, you'll see the option of Verify Integrity of Game Files, click on it. Once you complete the process, you will be good to go. You can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, you can apply next solution. Double click on the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and open this option of Task Manager. Now over here you're gonna find all the apps. Just scroll down and find the apps team. Once you find it, click on it. And then click on the option of In Task. After you do that, you can close this and then search for the apps team. After app appears, double click on it and then click on the option of Run as Administrator. With that, you will be good to go. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Steam Cloud out of data. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.